Whether it's empty or filled with fuel or other chemicals, the industry standard 210-litre drum is both bulky and heavy and requires careful handling. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. MHA Products has an extensive range of specialised drum handling equipment that makes light work of moving, storing, filling, mixing and emptying drums of all sizes. From simple drum carriers, dollies and trolleys to palletisers and stackers, these handling aids are designed to hold the drum securely and safely, keeping the precious contents intact. For high volume environments, the LiftX range of electric drum lifters and stackers also rotate the drums into the correct orientation for storage or use. And for specialised applications, MHA can also custom design and manufacture drum lifting equipment that will exactly meet customer requirements. Add in a range of tools, sealing products and drum pumps, and the MHA drum handling range has a lot to see. So go to all the W's, mhaproducts.com.au or give them a call. MHA Products on 1800 750 900. And thanks for watching.